Hi guys, it's Knowing and I'm so excited to share to you na today nakuha ko na rin yung first YouTube salary ko. So, I can't wait to tell you yung experience ko sa pag-YouTube. So, finally taking this opportunity na i-share sa inyo kung anong nangyari, and I'm really happy to tell you that I finally got it today. This, my mom called me and then she said na withdraw niya na yung money ko sa galing sa Google Answers, sa YouTube. Yeah, hey, I'm so happy. Hi, so I would like to take this opportunity to thank those people who watch my videos and video tutorials. I know sometimes it's very long, and especially it's a little bit difficult to understand the training that you're watching, but I'm so glad that you're able to stick with it and follow some of my advice. I want to take this opportunity as well to let everybody know that I'm so happy, and I want to share this to you guys because of this YouTube journey that I had, and I thought I will not be monetized. And I also decided to have the video in English now. I'm doing tutorials in Tagalog, but I decided not to continue with that because I wanted to cater to the broader audience. And with this kind of niche, affiliate marketing, they're just very people who are watching the video, and so I think to make this available for other people in other countries as well, we want to make it in English. And I know a lot of Filipinos can understand English, and I think it's not gonna be a problem for them. The reason I made this video is to inform and to share, of course, my happiness that they're able to monetize and finally got my first YouTube salary. I wasn't expecting that it's really gonna happen because I really thought that, hey, no one's gonna watch my videos, and I've been like finding many ways in how I would be able to do this, but it happened, thanks God. So yeah, the first thing that I wanted to say is to let those people really who supported my channel know that I'm so happy that you guys watched my videos and are able to reach my monetization, that 4,000 watch hours, and the subscribers who followed me and watched my videos. Also, if you are familiar, I'm doing trainings, marketing, videos that will help business. So you can see I created some tutorials about ManyChat, how to create Facebook business page, and other things that's related to Facebook. If there are people who are really wanting to use Facebook for their business, I also have some tutorials about this automation. I use GetResponse for my automation. That's the way how I be able to create those downloads, and you guys are able to download that for free. And I hope that you are also learning from that tutorial if you want to use the GetResponse as a means of an email marketing. So for the ManyChat, that's a messenger marketing. I also created videos that's related to video tutorial, rather to creating a YouTube channel. So I have those lists. I had created those playlists. So if you guys are interested to watch those video tutorial trainings, please do so. It's really gonna help you, especially if you wanted to create your own YouTube channel. So please excuse my English. If you think that my accent is not that good, I hope that you can still understand what I'm saying. So yeah, another thing that I wanted to tell you guys was that at the beginning of this YouTube journey, I was really hesitant to create a YouTube channel because first, I don't have any background about video editing and filming. I was afraid. I am a teacher and I know how to teach in the school in front of the students, but I'm not so sure in how the audience are going to see me as a teacher online, teaching them all of some of these digital tools like ManyChat and Get Response. So that was the first thing. I was not so confident, but I thought, why not just try it? Nothing's gonna, I'm not gonna lose anything, right? So yeah, another thing was that my location, I'm not in a country wherein YouTube partner program is available. So I was thinking whether if it's really right for me to create a YouTube channel, whether I'm gonna, be able to monetize my channel. I have a lot of these hesitations. But then I ended up, why not try? Yeah, try it. I just did it. I created my first video. My first video was not that good, of course. And some more, when I learned about the monetization process, I heard that you have to submit a address. So I don't have an address because I'm OFW and I'm working here in China. So I don't have a specific address in the Philippines that's under my name, but my parents are there in the Philippines. But I don't have any government ID except for my passport. But suddenly I've encountered some videos online on YouTube, of course, teaching how people to verify their channel without the billing address, telephone billing, some sort of those documents. I don't have the specific address in the Philippines. So I did it. I was able to find ways for that, and my channel was finally verified without the PIN. So that was the hesitation that I had before. I thought I'm not be able to make it, I don't know whether I can get the PIN or not. After I verified my channel, please excuse me, I'm just so nervous. I really don't know what to say. The problem is that is it really gonna happen that can I really get the money through bank? So I decided this is what we call the wire transfer. So it's a bank-to-bank transfer. I know that I won't be able to get the money through Western Union, and so it happened. I'm just so happy today. My mom went to the bank and she finally received my YouTube salary. Okay, so later stick with me because I'm gonna tell you how much I've earned in YouTube, my first salary. Okay, so another thing, I would like to say thank you to those clients and students of mine who took my one-on-one coaching. I'm hopeful that you guys can also pass through the challenges that you're facing right now. I've taught some of them to create their YouTube channel and also do the sideline affiliate marketing together with their YouTube channel. And I hope that you are still working on that. It takes a lot of effort, patience, and time to get into this stage. And I would say that you just need to take this as a challenge and make sure that you're serious about doing it. So yeah, thank you so much for those who trusted me and then they paid for this one-on-one training. You can always get back to me if you have some questions and you need some assistance. I also have a group, I call this the Fearless Spinaway Academy. Now, if you are interested in to learn more about my
training, the ones that I can offer, you know, that I'm not always online, but I do have some available resources in the group, so you can join that in the Facebook, the Fearless Pinoy Academy. Next, how I feel about this, I'm just so excited, and I'm still thinking what to do next because now I received my first YouTube salary. I think you know, it's like you have an energy again to continue doing videos for your channel. So what did I do with the money? I gave it to my parents. You know, because of the coronavirus, nowadays it's very difficult to find job, and my parents are already old and they don't have any source of income right now, so I just decided to give it to them. And I'm so happy, and I'm glad that, you know, God helped me through this. So last, of course, I wanted to encourage you guys, yes, to start your own YouTube channel. At first you will be having a lot of these questions in your mind, and that's very natural. That happened to me, and everything was like uncertain for me at the beginning. It was not easy. I started this channel for the affiliate marketing, and until now it's still about affiliate marketing. I still do that. I promote online products like ManyChat, TubeBuddy, and GetResponse. So I do email marketing as well. I send messages to the people who've you know, entered their email in my landing pages. So I'm doing it slowly. I started with this with no knowledge, zero experience, but with just the dedication and the learning, I was able to like create this channel. So aside from the affiliate marketing, now that I'm earning money from YouTube through the YouTube partner program, even if it's not really that much, but I think it's a good passive income. So I encourage you guys to you know, take the time, make the decision. If you have something to share to people, it's never too late. You can start your own YouTube channel. And again, no, you cannot please everybody. You cannot have all of the people. You know, don't expect that, you know, people, all of them are gonna watch your video. So make sure that you have a target audience. So for my case, I targeted those people who are interested in learning ManyChat and YouTube, TubeBuddy. So I focus on that niche. So you have to be very specific at the beginning, and when you finally get to the stage, you can actually branch out and you can do other content in your channel. Yeah, so that's, you know, very important. So you can make the decision right now. Think about it. If there's something that you want to share, why not, right? Don't be afraid. There will be bashers and people that will hate and dislike your video. That's natural. Again, you cannot please everyone. So for this encouragement, I also wanted to tell you that affiliate marketing and doing YouTube, this monetization, you know, YouTube partner program, it's not an easy thing. It takes patience, perseverance, the dedication to learn new things. Challenges will be in front of you, but you have to try to learn how to deal with these challenges. I'm not also, it's never too late, right? I'm not also suggesting that you pay for online training programs. There are so many available resources for you for free online, and you can learn on your own. You apply it, you work on it, and what's really important is that you have the tool, and then our tool is the YouTube, of course. And if you are an affiliate marketer, you have like the tools, the marketing tools, the same tools that I'm using. You could probably check on that one. So also time, because it's not just really about uploading videos, but you have to spend time learning how to edit your videos if you're not outsourcing people, or you're just doing it on your own like me. Everything that I have on my channel is just done by Lynn. I edited it, I made the plan, everything that you see. So it took me some time to get to the stage. I started in the later months of 2008, and finally now 2020 I got my first YouTube salary. All right, so now finally I'm gonna share how much I've earned from YouTube Partner Program. Well, I got 12,999 pesos, and based on the salary that they had written there on my YouTube channel, I saw it like 14,000 pesos. But then maybe there was this like cut from YouTube, of course. They're gonna get their cut, and so I got 12,000 something, 999 there. And later I'm gonna show you, the amount from my Google AdSense in dollars. So that was like the salary from, from August, the end 29th of August, September, October, November, these 4 months. I didn't upload any videos at all in those 4 months because or 3 months because I was so busy. So the old videos were the ones that's earning money, and I was waiting for the verification whether I could be verified, and then finally it was verified in December, and there you go. I got my money today. December now it's December 28. My mom told me that the money actually arrived in the bank in December 23rd. It is worth it because I'm now earning passive income through YouTube Partner Program. So guys, yeah, I hope that with this experience you're able to think about what you're gonna plan or do in the future. So hopefully I'll be able to create a detailed information about this YouTube journey, but you can check out my website www.babelynmalate.com for detailed information on how to create the YouTube channel. So I have the tutorial. You can start with that if you're really interested in creating your channel in order to get monetization. So again, it's never too late. So this is Lynn, and design your own life. Design your own life.